Hi everyone, welcome back to PassFab. Today we're gonna show you how to recover data from dead laptop. Before we get started, prepare a USB and insert it into a computer that works well. Run PassFab 4 Easy Partition on it. Navigate to Partition Recovery and click Create WinPE. Click Start. Choose the USB. Make sure there is nothing important in the USB because we will burn the disk cloning tool into it. Once done, eject the USB. Insert the burned USB to the dead computer. Connect an external hard drive to the computer. Press the power button. When the Dell logo appears, press F12 to enter boot menu. Here are common keys to enter boot menu. Leave a comment below if you don't show the hotkey for your computer. Now, boot from the USB. You will see the interface of PassFab 4 Easy Partition. Click Clone Partition if you just want to recover files in a local drive. Select it. Click Continue. Select the external hard drive as target partition. Then check source partition and target disk. Click Start. Later, you will get a copy of your local drive. Move it to another computer or just keep it. That's it. If this video helps, remember to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you.